Rental car coverage, also called extended non-owned or rental reimbursement, helps pay for a rental vehicle if your car is in the shop due to a covered claim. Here's a step-by-step guide. Contact your insurance company. Call your current auto insurer, Allstate, Geico, State Farm, Progressive, etc., or log into your online account. Ask for rental reimbursement. Inquire about adding rental car coverage or rental reimbursement to your policy. Provide details. Tell them your policy number. Desired daily limit, $30–50 per day is common. Maximum number of days, usually 30. Review cost. This coverage is usually inexpensive, $2–10 per month depending on your policy. Confirm addition. Ask for written confirmation that the coverage is active. Important notes. Most standard policies do not include rental car coverage automatically. Coverage only applies when your own vehicle is undrivable due to a covered loss. Check your policy's exclusions. For example, business use, certain rentals.